Okay, so now let's talk about the difference between a commodity and an offer. This is very important for you to understand. You may have heard commodity before, but you're wondering what exactly are we talking about. Now, just switch the word commodity with product. Switch the word commodity with product. Now, a commodity is a common good that is widely available, something you can find at different places, widely available, with price being the only way its value is judged amongst different vendors. So first, the product is widely available. Several people have it. So maybe you enter Alaba where people are selling LG TVs in also different stores. There are a lot of people selling LG TV or Samsung TV and all that. The only way you judge the value of what you are getting compared to what other people are doing is price. So if somebody gives you a cheaper price, you feel like you're getting a lot more value. If the person is calling a higher price, you feel you're getting a lot less value for the money you're asked to pay. That's a commodity. It's common good. Now, because of its wide availability, a commodity does not have a strong emotionally compelling factor. Because you can get it, you could either get it from here, or you could get it from there, or you could get it from that other person. It's so widely available, and price is the only way. So if you are coming into that market to compete and price is the only way, there is not there is it's problematic, because it means that in order for you to make it appear compelling, then you have to reduce your price, which essentially affects your bottom line. That's what I'm getting at here. When price is the only unique selling point, when price is the only unique selling point, you are forced to hurt your margins, your profit margins, in order for you to make it compelling. That's the problem with selling a commodity, something that is widely available that you can get from different places, and the only unique selling point is price point. It's a problem. And this is what a lot of people do. This is what a lot of us do when we started. This is what I did, because I did not understand there was something else called an offer. This is what I did. Now, in selling a commodity, like I said, your unique selling point is price, and you will lose the moment there's somebody else who can sell cheaper than you. It's either that happens or you are forced to reduce your profit margin to sell. So, for example, I remember there was a time when face masks, some people were selling face masks for 100 naira. Now, this happened in Ojoduberga here where I live, and someone came and they started selling at 50 naira. People were angry. And this person was trying to kind of like keep it secret. So a lot of people were buying from this person who was selling for 50 naira. They were not buying from people who were selling for 100 naira. Now, is face mask at 100 naira too expensive? Obviously, no. But I guess this person was selling at 50 naira was not making enough sales, and she just thought, okay, I'm just going to down the price of this stuff so I can sell a lot more. While doing that, she was hurting the chances of the other people. They accosted her, told her to stop selling at 50 naira. She said she had heard. After a while, she started selling again. Eventually, everybody was forced to start selling at 50 naira. This is the same face mask that we're buying for 400 naira, 450 naira during COVID-19 period. Hope you understand what I'm saying. That's the problem with selling a commodity, where price is only your unique selling point. All right, so here's an example. Somebody comes on Facebook and puts Toyota Venza 2015 edition, fairly used rather, and he puts price 11 million naira, slightly negotiable, DM me if interested. Now, the only thing that appears compelling here is the price. So maybe in the market, somebody is selling at maybe 11.5 or any such thing, and he comes and says he wants to sell at 11 million. Maybe some people are selling at 11.2 and all that stuff. If you use price only as your distinguishing factor, then that person, people will come, and then they will try to, one of the issues is they will try to force your price lower, because now you've said it's slightly negotiable, because we want to feel like we have gotten a deal out of it. The reason we drive the price of things down is because we want to feel like we're getting value. And the only time we drop our money is when the value that we are getting is way more than the price we're paying. So if the only way to give that value to your audience is to reduce your price, then it's a problem. So is there any other way in which you can keep your price the same or just slightly different without hurting your bottom line, and then still be able to outsell other people in the market? Now, let's look at that strategy called an